Hey there, and welcome to IntegratedWebworks podcast. My name is Pathik Shah, and today's episode is all about setting your marketing budget for 2024. Figuring out the right marketing budget can be a bit tricky, especially due to the current economic conditions. Historically, when approaching a recession market, majority of companies spend more on marketing to get a higher market share from their competitors. What your company should spend on marketing in 2024 can be challenging, but don't worry, let's break it down for you. The first thing to consider when setting up your marketing budget is how much revenue your company is making overall. Over the last 11 years, the percentage allocation of our revenue to marketing budget has gone up drastically. But a general rule, businesses usually set aside between 5 to 15% of total revenue for marketing. That means if your company makes about $1 million a year, you might allocate $50,000 to $150,000 for marketing. Let's break that number down even further. Mid-sized companies, B2B companies, on average spend 7.8% on their marketing, while in the same size category, B2C companies spend about twice as much on average, which is 15% of total revenue. Small businesses are also spending a decent amount on their marketing. If in a survey of 85 small business owners, majority of them said they spend between $5,000 and $15,000 per month in marketing. But every business is unique, so you should also think about other factors besides the size of your company. You have to also consider the industry your business falls in. For example, healthcare averages is about 18% of their revenue, while retail is 14% and consumer market is only 6%. If you're a new company looking to grow fast, you might want to invest more in marketing. But if you're already a well-known, you might focus on maintaining your presence rather than spending too much on growth, unless you're looking to expand. Now here's a pro tip. Understanding your target audience and what they like is super important. It helps you choose the right marketing strategy, so do some research on your customers. Find out what they prefer, where they spend their time, and what catches their attention. At our agency, we spend most part of our CNA meetings trying to understand our client's target audience. This helps us put together a targeted strategy that's going to bring a good ROI. Oh, and don't forget, look at how well your past marketing efforts have worked. Check which strategies gave you the best results and which one didn't do so well. That way, you can put more money into stuff that works and avoid spending on things that don't. We all know that digital marketing is huge these days. Things like social media, online ads, and content marketing can be very effective. So it's important to balance your budget between traditional methods like TV and radio ads and newer digital approaches. But here's the deal. You have to be flexible with your marketing budget. Things change quickly and new opportunities might pop up throughout the year. So set aside a bit of money for trying out new things or taking advantage of emerging trends. Regularly review your marketing efforts and how they're doing. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to shift your budget to strategies that show better results. Being data-driven is like having a secret weapon in your marketing arsenal. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you learned some useful tips for setting your marketing budget in 2024. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance and being adaptable. Join us for next time for more marketing insights that'll help your business thrive. Until then, this is Pathik Shah signing off. Take care and happy marketing.